Okay, so I have my honey, water, lemon mixture here. It's still pretty warm, so be careful with the pan. And I have my almond, cashew, pistachio, raisin, sesame seed mixture in my glass dish over here. I'm just kind of trying to put it all together. I want it to be kind of somewhat uniform. Again, whatever size pan you have, this is just one that I had available and clean. So I grabbed this size, it doesn't matter. And then I'm just going to drizzle this on top. And again, it's really up to you how much you want to put in here. I may or may not use all of this. It depends on what this is looking like. All right, yeah, I'm putting almost all of it in here. That looks good. I have just a little bit left, so I didn't use quite all of it. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to, there we go, just pat all the nuts down because I want everything to really be coated with that honey lemon water mixture. And you know, when I call it granola, this is not going to come out to a bar like that you would buy at the grocery store. This is going to be like almost like a mix, a trail mix. You can put in a Ziploc. You can just munch on it with your hands. So again, when I say granola, I mean it kind of somewhat loosely, but just probably make sure everything is coated with that honey lemon water mixture. I'm just going to pat it down my hands. You know what? I'm going to just kill off the rest of this. I'm going to get these corners really well, make sure everything is coated. There we go. So you can see they're not swimming in this liquid. There we go. And just lastly, I'm just going to sprinkle some of these sesame seeds on top because they'll kind of stick to the top now. The other ones just kind of went to the bottom, which is fine. But these will now, because of that honey lemon water, they're just going to kind of rest on top, which is good. So I'm just going to sprinkle a couple teaspoons of sesame seeds, and of course it's on my hands. All right, I am going to pop this in the oven, get it baking.